is puffed up and he's scared off all the other birds. Huh, Rooster? We can capture how puffed up he is. He sat down and he puffed himself up. And all of the other birds ran off. Oh. Yeah, we watched him run off the birds. They're scared to come down and eat. Let's see. Oh, there's a brave one. Oh, there's some. They're getting brave. Oh no, it's the jay. I thought it was the jay up there. He is a bully, Rooster. I'm gonna go throw him peanuts though. What do you think about bullies? Yeah, me too. I'm gonna go give him some peanuts. We can at least watch him eat. He's the one who puffed up and scared off the birds. Scrub jays are not nice, but they're super pretty. You're nice and pretty. Okay, Rooster, I'm gonna go give him peanuts. So now he has peanuts. Maybe the other smaller birds are coming to eat now. I've at least occupied him for a short while. So we can watch the little birds. Wow, this bully is testing each peanut I put down to see which one is heaviest. And then he'll end up taking all of them. But he's going to work in order of heaviest to lightest. So he's testing them. That one? Okay.